This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of speaking of the candidates. This is examiner Arvinder Singh. I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate Navjot Singh with candidate number 111154. Alright, Navjot, first of all, please introduce yourself.
My name is Navjot Singh. I belong to small village. I like to do gym in my leisure time.
Okay, Navjot, what are your future plans?
I want to migrate to Canada for my higher study and have a great future.
Okay, what is your educational background?
I completed my plus two in 2018. After that, I studied mechanical diploma in the Gianni College, which was situated at the Louisiana City.
Okay, do you like watching TV?
Most of the time, most of my free time, I prefer to watch. I prefer to watch historical movies because of that I want to collect the knowledge about my past.
Okay, what type of TV programs are popular in your country?
In my country, several types of TV program are popular in the teenagers. For example, teenager prefer to watch cartoon programs as well as they prefer to do these types of program as well as they learned something new in they prefer this type of programs.
Okay, should we allow children to watch TV on daily basis?
I think TV is the best source of entertainment. Parents prefer to watch the TV in a limit. If they much time to watch the TV, they lose their creativity skills as well as eyesight.
Okay, what did you watch on TV when you were a child?
Mostly I prefer to watch comedy show as well as cartoon programs.
Okay, so watching TV, what do you think it is? Do you think it's have a positive impact or a negative impact on?
I think it's depend up on a person. If anyone anyone watch TV in a limit, they have see good result. If they have watch 5 to 6 hours in a day, they have huge chance of loss of their eyesight as well as other health disease.
Okay, let's talk about gifts a little bit. Do you like gifts?
Yes, I love everyone wants to receive a gift by others, but but I want to receive a gift by my family member, not others.
Okay. What type of products people generally or things people generally give to others as a gift?
There are several type of products people give to others, like it's depend upon person age. If children they want to give toys as well as a adult, they want to give some give some book. Those are helpful in their study.
Okay. So on what occasions people generally give gifts to others in your country?
In my country, most of the people gave gift in several occasions, such as birthday parties, marriage anniversary, and many more. But most of the time people send to gift in birthdays.
All right. Okay. Now we will head towards part 2 of speaking. That is cue card. All right. Your cue card is. Okay. Describe a time you shared something with someone.
Sir, can I write some?
Yes, you can make notes if you want. You have 1 minute to prepare for this, and then you have to speak for another 2 minutes. Your time for preparation starts now. Alright? Okay, please start.
I shared many things with my near and dear ones, as well as nears, but here I would like to talk about my best experience when I share my health problem with my friend. I I like to I like. I remember last year when my I have faced kidney problem. Because of that I use the steroids cycle continuously 3 months. After using this cycle, I face several problems, like LFT or RFT. One day I decided to share my problem with my friend. Because of that he is the famous dietitian in my city. when I shared my problems, he gave me some suggestion about my health, as well as he provide as well as he provides me diet chart, and he warned me not even a single day did not skip the any meal after continuously follow the diet. I, after continuously follow the 3 months diet. I solved my problem as well as nowadays I am very fit and fine. I suggested to everyone, please do not use this steroid because they have several side effects of them.
All right. Okay. Okay. Now we will start part 3. Follow-up questions. Okay. What was the last thing you remembered you shared with someone?
I remember. I remember last month I shared with my friend about my financial losses. Actually, I use the Vigirex app as well as I invest my money in the Bitcoin. Unfortunately, the market have last month the market have a big dump. As then I after 2 days I shared this cocoa incident with my friend.
Okay. What is your personal opinion on sharing?
Sir, could you repeat the question?
What is your personal opinion on sharing?
I think sharing everything is the best thing by others, as well as if you share anything with others, you definitely have a good bonding with them, as well as they always stand with them.
Okay. What kind of things are not suitable for sharing?
According to me, it's depend upon person relationships. If you have a good relationships with others, you definitely share everything with them. On the other hand, if you have not good bonding with them, you always do not share the expensive things.
All right. Okay.